Hello, my name is Diamond Gwaltney. This is for EDU 208 English Language Learners, and I am doing video submission forum 5. One important concept discussed in this course is cultural identity and cultural markers. Culture refers to the shared beliefs, values, behaviors, history, and experiences that influence how individuals view themselves and the world. According to the lecture notes, Culture in the Classroom, culture includes both visible and invisible characteristics such as race, ethnicity, socioeconomic status, gender, beliefs, and experiences. Culture markers are the characteristics people use to answer the question, who am I? Understanding culture identity is important for teachers because students' behaviors, communication styles, and approaches to learning are influenced by their cultural experiences. The video, What is Cultural Competency, connects to this idea by explaining that educators must recognize and respect the different cultural backgrounds students bring into the classroom. This connects to our lecture notes, which describes culture as a blueprint for behavior. When teachers understand that students' actions are influenced by their experiences, they are less likely to make assumptions and more likely to create supportive learning environments. A second important concept is cultural difference theory. According to the lecture notes, Models for Understanding Culture, cultural difference theory explains that students have different cultural backgrounds and traits, but these differences are not better or worse than one another. Instead, problems can occur when schools fail to recognize or value students' cultural differences. This contrasts with cultural deficit theory, which suggests that students struggle because they lack the values or skills of the dominant culture. The video, Student-Teacher Relationships, Cultural Competency, supports cultural difference theory by emphasizing the importance of building relationships with students and understanding their backgrounds. When teachers take time to learn about their students' cultures, they can avoid misunderstandings and create classrooms where students feel respected and included. The third concept is cultural competency, which is the ability to recognize, understand, and respond appropriately to cultural differences. The required reading, Culture in the Classroom, explains that teachers must examine how culture influences classroom experiences and interactions. The video, Demographic Structure of Society, Race and Ethnicity, connects to this concept by discussing how race and ethnicity influence people's experiences. The lecture notes explain that race is socially constructed, while ethnicity refers to shared cultural factors such as ancestry, language, and beliefs. Overall, these concepts demonstrate that effective teaching requires more than academic knowledge. Teachers must understand students' identities, recognize cultural differences, and develop cultural competency. By valuing students' backgrounds and experiences, educators can build stronger relationships and create more equitable classrooms.